everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Factohr HR employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Factohr HR is HRMS and payroll employees self-service app for employees. You can simply open up your Factohr HR employee application on your mobile device or open up a web browser on a computer to get access to your employee account. If you've opened up a web browser, then in the web address bar type in factohrhr.com and press enter on your keyboard, which will take you to the official web page. From the official web page, click the login button at the top right. Now, enter your work email ID or your mobile number in the text box appearing on the left-hand side. Enter your email address associated with your employee account or your mobile number in the first text box that appears on the screen and then click on the submit button. If your email address or your mobile number is registered with Factohr HR, then you'll be able to type in your password on the next page. Simply enter your password and you'll be able to log into your Factohr HR employee account right away. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you in the back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.